I haven't been productive lately. Late nights, late mornings, feeling tired, not working out, leaving out all my to-do list, and not even writing my journal. Okay, so just let it be. I just wasted my morning. Now I'm gonna waste my whole day. I'm just gonna binge on Netflix, eat some junk food, and blame myself and feel sad. Hi there, thanks for tapping in this video. I'm Shreya. If you are someone who wants to save a day or your week or month or anything because you felt like you wasted a morning or a day or a week or a month, you came to the right video. Let's save this day, week, and month, and many days after that. The weather outside is rainy, and rainy day actually makes me too gloomy. It makes me feel like it's a day where I should sleep all day. And we have to change this mentality. Like, whenever we have a bad morning, we think that we are going to have a very bad day, or our whole day is going to be a mess, and we're gonna regret wasting our morning or our day. You can wake up at 6 and have a very bad day, like the worst day you ever had in life, and you can still wake up at 10 and have a wonderful day. So wake up without feeling guilty. First thing you have to do is drink your water, because it rehydrates the body, increases your level of alertness, helps fuel your brain, and jumpstarts your metabolism, as well as staying hydrated is a key ingredient in staying healthy. Freshen up, you will feel much better. Wash your face, brush your teeth, look in the mirror and thank yourself. Tell yourself, I love you. There are various benefits of telling yourself that I love you. You deserve it. Second, it will make your day better. And third, you will have better relationship with yourself, and your existing relationships will become stronger, and you will develop new relationships. You will see an increase in your confidence and self-esteem. Your productivity will skyrocket. It will truly help you be present. You will feel healthier. It will motivate you. It will make you laugh, and you'll start your day perfectly. The thankfulness in you will boost your self-confidence and will help you to feel better, even if you feel like a crap for not being the person you have in your head. Now make your bed. If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. He said it will give you a small sense of pride, and it will encourage you to do another task and another, and you will keep on completing all your to-do list. Never ever overwhelm yourself with so many tasks at once. Just do one or two things a day and add another the next day, one at a time. Take it slow. If you write a journal on regular basis, add a not to do list in it. Write 1 to 3 things you don't want to do. Why is it always necessary to make a to-do list? To say yes, but at the same time you have to learn how to not do something and to say no. So it is a practice for saying no and not doing things that you don't want. Now walk 100 to 300 steps, or do 2 minutes of plank or burpees, or take a walk in fresh air. Just do it. It will activate your body, it will make you feel energized, and it will help you to start your day perfectly, even though it's late already. But it is not going to be a wasted day. It's going to be a productive day, and you are going to make it happen. Today, let's not use our phone first thing in the morning, because whenever you use it, I guess it consumes most of our time. We'll forget time and space, our work, and everything we have to do throughout the day when we start using mobile phone first thing in the morning. Now we are getting ready for our day, and even though you don't use makeups like me, you can use a sunscreen on regular basis because it helps a lot. And I'm changing into regular cloth instead of my night cloth, and I'm putting on some lipstick because I really like putting some lipsticks every single day. Like, some may like to put on kajal, some may like to put on mascara, so it varies up on like what do you actually want to wear. And so I'm ready now. I'm drinking my lukewarm water. Now we are having a breakfast, and you to go and have your breakfast, have something filling. The food will fuel your body and make your soul happy. If you haven't talked to your friend or best friends in past few days or few weeks or few months, then call them and talk, rant about how life's going on and everything. This will cheer you up, it will make you happy, and if you got a chance, then please catch up with them because it will be a boost and mood lifter. If you live with your parents, sisters, brothers, it is always best to help them with whatever chore they are doing, and you can talk about something. Now, by the end of the day, you are going to tick off your to-do list, and it gives you a vision of accomplishment. So it is always great to complete and to tick off something that you have always wished for. And finally, in the end of the day, you did have a productive day. You spent some quality time with your friends and family. You were productive and you saved your day. Congratulations. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead and save your wasted half day or morning. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.